Hey guys, I made this lead generator system in n8n and I thought it would be cool to repost here on this channel. I made it a long time ago, like 3 months. So kind of bear with me on the video quality. But without further ado, let's check it out. All right, guys, I just want to, nothing too formal today. I just want to show you real quick this lead gen system that I have been building quietly for the past 2 weeks or so. It's pretty robust, as you can see, 257 items. Check this out. It's still going. Okay, so obviously there are still some rows to be like filtered out because they're basically empty, but we've got a solid POC right here. Look at this. 1,115 rows filled in one execution. And by the way, it is still running. Look at this. This execution has been going for 5 hours and 27 minutes. And it's still going. That's essentially because this node has different cities to look in throughout the entire United States. It has about 233 queries that this loop is going through, batching through. So yeah, I'd love to demo this project live for everyone perhaps in a Saturday stream, one of Jonathan's. That'd be really cool. But for now, yeah, it's time for me to get back to work. There's a lot that I want to add to this thing before I feel confident in selling it. But yeah, that's what I got so far. Okay, well, I hope you guys all enjoyed that. I hope you learned something new about the possibilities of n8n AI automations. If you did, and this video maybe inspired you to take control of your life and your destiny using these new technologies that are coming out, I encourage you to grab our free n8n starter kit. Links in the description. And with that, be sure to leave a like, share your thoughts with a class, and before you subscribe, make sure you know what you're doing, because it ain't easy being at the top. I'll see you guys next time.